Apple OTC, will it be an opportunity to profit or a trap for traders? Guys, today I'm going to test it, so let's find out. Hello my dear traders and welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to trade on asset Apple OTC on pocket option. I will break down my strategy to you. Also, whole trading session will be only on one chart. I will start today with a very small deposit, which is $10. My plan for today make around $5,000, guys. So watch this video till the end to figure it out, was I able to do that or not. I want to remind you that I use 15 Japanese candlesticks to analyze the market. Today I'm going to open deals from 1 to 5 minutes. Of course, everything will be depending on the situation. So my dear traders, let's finally start. Guys, we can see how the price breaks through the support level and starts to grow impulsively. After that, a red candle is formed, and nevertheless, the price behavior in the area of the support level allows us to assume that an upward movement will be expected in the near future. And I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes to buy. And our first deal is successfully closed with the profit, guys. Well, as we expected, the price continued its upward movement despite the corrective movement at the beginning of the transaction. Okay, nevertheless, 2 minutes was enough for us to fix this trend and increase our deposit. Guys, let's wait for the next entry point. We can see how the upward movement on the price chart again changed in a wavy pattern to a downward one. It's close to the support level, so we can assume with a high degree of probability that the downtrend will continue in the near future. And we will open a deal for 4 minutes to sell. A successful deal again, guys, despite the fact that we saw a price rebound in the first half of the transaction. In the second part, as we predicted, the price went into a confident correction. This allowed us to increase our deposit, and I suggest to wait for the next trade situation. Meanwhile, we are observing how the price accumulates enough potential for an upward movement, and I suggest to open a deal for 2 minutes to buy. 40% of you guys watch my videos without subscribing. Let's fix that. And our third deal closed with the profit, guys. As we expected, the market has accumulated enough potential for an upward movement, and the 2-minute time frame of the transaction was enough for us to fully capture this trend and increase our deposit. I suggest to wait for the next convenient entry point on the chart, guys. Meanwhile, on the price chart, we can see the rebound gaining strength. In such a market situation, it is fair to assume that the upward movement will continue for a short time. We will open a deal to buy for 1 minute. If you don't have a registered account with a broker yet, then the link to the broker is in the pinned comment under this video. The strategy I'm talking about is suitable for any broker, but I only trade on Quotex and Pocket Option, and I advise you to do the same. It's best to register on one of these websites because there are some of the brokers that actually have a license. With them, it's not scary to keep large amounts on your balance with the fear that they will be stolen somewhere, or simply not withdrawn at one moment, saying that you traded unfairly. Believe me, this also happens, unfortunately. And again, great result, guys. As we expected, the price continued to rise over the next minute. This allowed us to increase our deposit again. So let's wait for the next situation. On the chart, we again see an impulsive correction with large impulsive red candles. Such behavior against the background of a sharp trend reversal is highly likely to indicate a subsequent rebound. I suggest to open a deal for 1 minute to buy. Well, my dear traders, once again our deal confidently closed with a profit. The price continued its upward movement and 1 minute deal was enough for us to make money on this market movement. So let's wait for the next trading situation. As we can see, the upward movement remains just as strong, and despite the occasional red candles, the price continues its uptrend. I suggest we open a deal to buy for 3 minutes, guys. And another successful deal. Well, as we predicted, the price continued its upward movement despite the occasional red candles. Technical analysis and price behavior allowed us to clearly identify the entry point into the market. Well, excellent result, and I suggest that we will wait for the next trading situation. Meanwhile, we are seeing a series of large impulsive red candles. Such a movement in the market is always accompanied by a rebound. Therefore, we will open a deal for an increase for 2 minutes, assuming that an upward price movement will follow. And a 2-minute deal should be enough for us to fix a similar trend. And again, a successful deal, guys. Well, 2 minutes time frame was enough for us to capture the upward price movement we predicted. I suggest waiting for the next convenient trading situation. Meanwhile, we can see an uptrend gaining strength on the price chart. Green candles prevail on the chart despite the local red ones. And I suggest to open a deal to buy because the price hasn't yet used up its potential for growth. And as we assume, the upward movement should continue in the future. So, my dear traders, successful deal. As we expected, the price continued its upward movement and 1 minute deal was enough for us to make money on it, of course. Excellent result, guys. I suggest that we wait for the next situation. Meanwhile, given the wave-like nature of the price movement, we can again see signs of an upward movement strengthening. Well, in this regard, I suggest opening a 2-minute deal to buy, since such a market situation tells us that the price growth trend will continue in the near future. So guys, this is our next deal and we also got a profit again. As we predicted, the price continued its steady upward movement and technical analysis helped us identify a convenient entry point in time. So this is a wonderful result and I suggest that we wait for the next trading situation. Now I can observe a small corrective movement, which is generally normal for such an uptrend. Based on the further price behavior, we can assume that the corrective trend will increase in the near future. We will open a deal to sell for 2 minutes, since such a market situation tells us that we can expect a downward movement in the near future. Well, my dear traders, and our 10th deal is confidently closing with a profit. As we expected, after the deal was opened, a downward movement prevailed for 2 minutes. This allowed us to increase our deposit and open this transaction on time. Well, my balance, meanwhile, is $6,800. $807, guys. With this, I propose to end our trading session. So guys, today I managed to show you how technical analysis works on one chart with Apple OTC, and it was quite interesting because I started just with $10 and just look at my final result. But my dear traders, don't forget that trading is all about patience, practice, and experience. Also, I want to remind you that you can try to train on a demo account just to figure it out how everything works. And also, if you want my trading signals, you can get them just for free. How? Guys, text me code word signal on my Telegram. I left all the essential links down below. Also, my dear traders, if you already tried this asset, let me know in the comments how was it for you, and if you want me to try something else, also let me know in the comment section. Also, I hope that you already subscribed to this channel and put a big thumbs up to this video. And of course, I hope that you didn't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss my other strategies. Well, my dear traders, I wish you to have successful trading sessions. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.